pinakabagong cafe sa Baguio na tiyak babalik-balikan mo. They have this Instagrammable and very refreshing ambience. Foods and drinks are good, may mga saksakan sa bawat table, at kahit dito sa mini garden nila or outdoor dining, may mga saksakan din. They are pet-friendly, may wifi sila at malawak din ang parking space. Dito nga yan sa Baguio branch ng Manapsol Cafe located dito sa Brent Road, Baguio City. Turo ko kung paano mag-jeep dito mula sa Session Road at the end of the video. Ambience is like food for my emotion, kaya naman pagdating ko dito, positive vibes na agad. Tas ang linis at refreshing sa paningin. Naka-soft opening pa pala sila and here is their menu for now. You can take a screenshot for your future reference. I tried their lemongrass chicken and gustong-gusto ko tong sauce nila. It's cilantro yogurt and oil, very bagay siya. Their kiniing Alfredo is creamy, pasta is good, hindi tinipid sa kiniing, tas serving is enough. Masarap pala tong torch kiss nila na iced. Now ko lang natikman, very recommended ko siya kahit malamig ang panahon dito sa Baguio. For dessert, syempre, I ordered yogurt. By the way, they offer some from the main uni house of yogurt pala. And as always, their yogurt is the best. You can customize your yogurt from these options. For me, I had mango, blueberry, walnut, chia, tas honey. I loved it. Favorite ko ang cream puff ng Victoria's, pero okay rin naman sa akin yung kanila. Malawak ang dining space nila kasi yung tatlong palapag inopen nila for dining. Plus, may mini garden with a small fish pond. Ang cute at relaxing for outdoor dining. Maganda rin dito sa gabay kasi may pa-lights pa yan, giving you a more romantic ambience. May private room din if you have meetings. Wala pa siyang fee, libre pa for now, pero baka after ng grand opening may charge na. Customer service is good, accommodating at attentive naman sila. Open sila everyday from 7 o'clock a.m. to 9 o'clock p.m. Mode of payment, pwedeng cash and bank transfer. So, paano sila puntahan mula sa Session Road? Kung nasa Session ka, hanapin mo as always si Prime Hotel. On your left, pagpababa ka. And then, pasok ka sa road on your left. After just a few meters, may makikita ka mga jeep dyan. Sakay ka lang sa dumadaan ng teacher's camp gaya ng Mines View o Litang. Pa-drop off ka sa waiting shed paakyat ng Pink Sisters. 13 pesos ang pamasahe. Diyan kay drop off sa may pedestrian lane, yan yung waiting shed. Akyatin mo lang yan, tas lakarin yung road paakyat on your right. 5 minutong lakad lang mga bes. You will walk past Pink Sisters Convent and after a few meters, makikita mo ang sign ni Manapsol on your left. And dyan lang sila below. Pagbabalik ka na ng Session Road or SM Baguio, baba ka ulit sa main highway and then wait ka lang ng jeep sa baba ng waiting shed. Or may mga taxi rin namang dumadaan sa cafe mismo. Around 100 pesos ang pamasahe.